everyone, and thank you for stopping by to watch my channel today. I have a new video showing how I make my wig, so please stay tuned. Right now you're going to see me co-wash the hair. I bought this hair from my local beauty supply store, and I use these products, which is the Hello Hydration and the Bella Curls leave-in conditioner. I got minimum shedding, but very, very minimum. And this is my vitamin E hair oil that I use, which, oh my God, smells so good, you guys. So once I finish co-washing the hair, I caress the hair and put the oil in to seal in the moisture. And once I'm done sealing in that moisture by caressing the hair and scrunching it together to keep my curls, I will let it sit here and air dry overnight before using for installation. Right here you see my wig cap. This is an extra large wig cap that I also got from my local beauty supply store. I was so happy to find this because usually I use the dome cap and they usually are still too small. This was clutch. Alright, so you guys are going to see me sew down my closure first. I've already put the cap on my head and pre-measured how my closure is going to lay. So that's why you see the concealer outline on the cap. So what you're going to do once you do that, you're going to just follow the line. This is to ensure that when you sew down your closure, the cap doesn't shrink in size. This is a very good method that I learned from Taste Pink. She is very good. I follow her on YouTube as well as Instagram. So if you ever need someone who gives you a great breakdown when it comes to crochet or natural hair tutorials, she is a very good person to watch. So right now you're going to watch me just basically sew down that closure. So I'll be quiet while you continue to look at that.
Her body was found with both of her hands tied behind her back. Her feet were also tied up, and around her neck was a black nylon pantyhose that was used to strangle her. So it was hard for a lot of people to believe that Cindy would have walked a mile and a half to the spot where they found her body and then tied her hands, tied her feet, strangled herself, doing all of it.
I just wanted to give a more detailed view so you can see how to do that. I'm sorry that this is a bad angle. If you want me to try this again, I could definitely do this again for you guys at a better angle, maybe on a client's head. So what you're doing is basically I am going through the cap under the lace and going through the lace, but only going through the edges of the lace, if that makes sense. Let me try to explain that again. So basically, you're going through the cap, and when you hook the needle back through, you're coming through the edge of the lace, but make sure you're not going into the hairline of the lace. And then you're just sewing in a circular motion. You do want to continue this process until you have gone to the other side of the closure, not sewing down the front of the closure where you're cutting your lace. You want to leave that out. Once you're done, you'll see what I mean. So here we are about to be at the end of sewing down the closure. Once I finish sewing down on this side, then I will be moving on to the tracks. Now, I know you're probably wondering, hey, why is my closure so far up and gathered up like that? Well, it's because I have a big head and this is an extra large cap. So once we're done sewing down the hair on the wig, I'll cut the excess cap in under the closure, and it's going to lay flat at the shape of my head. So I know it looks weird right now, but trust the process. Okay, so what you see me doing right here is basically adjusting the wig cap and using my thumbtacks and T-pins to keep my cap stationary. So you are going to see me adjust it quite a few times on this styrofoam head. Also, I am using my wig stand to help me maneuver. So yeah, that's what you see me doing right here. Now that I have the thumbtacks all in position, you are now going to see me start sewing down the hair itself. Alright, so this is one full bundle installed. And you see how full and pretty that is in the back. So this is my second bundle. With my second bundle, I decided instead of doubling my wefts, is just take it with single wefts. So I am now about to install my second bundle here. Now this is the spacing of what you see with me when I stopped doubling my wefts, and I just took it and just did a single weft. And I know you might see a lot of spacing between the tracks, but once the wig has been applied, I promise the spacing will not be as noticeable as it looks on this dome head. So you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so now that I finished with that last bundle, the wig has been completed. So this, I will show you what it looks like still on the mannequin head. And after this, what I did basically is wet it down and brushed it. And yeah, this is how she looks on me. Baby hairs laid and glued down. I did sew the wig onto my head so I didn't have any combs. And this was your girl birthday hair, so you know your girl was feeling fine. But thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.